Hello, my name is Kerry Jenkins. I am a cancer survivor. I'd just been given this huge life-changing news about having cancer, and my mind was definitely not best placed to take on new information, and I had no idea what a biosimilar was. Now I would say that because I've come through all of this treatment, I've had biosimilars undoubtedly used during my treatment for cancer. I would trust them more because I've seen the impact that they can have from a personal point of view.